can tell.
Alright, I think it's picture towel.
She's got that look.
It's a tiny look at pictures. Let's see what we got here. What do we have?
Oh, we went to Cirque du Soleil. The Wanuba.
Oh, baby.
Downtown Disney. We've never been there before. So that was a lot of fun. And we walked around
Baby.
downtown Disney.
Look at the baby.
Who is it? Is that Nyla?
Look at the baby. Look. Look at the baby. Isn't it cute? You want to do the next one? Go like this. Go like this. Here. See your little hand. No, no, no.
Oh.
That's it. Make it bigger. Look at the baby. Oh, look. Look at the baby. Is that you?